this is how we charge mass communication here again with another unboxing. You can see I have another pack in front of you guys. Let's see what we have inside. Halogen bulb for my spots. You can see at the bottom I have one spot. So how they are, these are the cheaper, very cheap, you can find in AliExpress. 2 to 3 euro you can pay. Normally in Spain is 7 euros, so it's cheaper, high quality. So I will put that, I'll show you. And we put this inside. You can see here how I'm assembling. There's some nozzles. This is fine, it's suited perfectly, fits perfectly there. You can see guys, Jesus Christ, it's so much light. It's working properly. So you can see guys, it's working properly. I had to adjust a little bit here and there. So much light. So this is unboxing and assemble of reflector light that is halogen if I'm not wrong. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.